This is Ma'am J. Join me in this Art Today episode, your daily dose of art. Are you ready to unlock and discover the creative side of yourself? Buckle up as we learn the arts and crafts of Mimaropa. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to analyze the elements and principles of art in the production of one's arts and crafts inspired by the arts of Mimaropa and the Visayas. Identify the characteristics of arts and crafts in specific areas in Mimaropa and the Visayas, Marinduque, Palawan, Mindoro, Bohol, Cebu, Iloilo, and Samar. Appreciate the artifacts and art objects in terms of their utilization in their distinct use of art elements and principles. Before we proceed, let us try to see if you're familiar with these beautiful places. Now, let's begin. You're right! It's Puerto Galera, located in Oriental Mindoro. You've got it! It's the magnificent Tres Reyes Islands found in Marinduque. Amazing! It's one of the best places for diving in Romblon, called Blue Hole. Correct! It's the crystal clear freshwater lake in Coron, Palawan. The enchanting places I showed you earlier can be found in Mimaropa, or should I say, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, and Palawan. Located in Region 4B or the Southern Tagalog region. Aside from its wonderful places, they are also rich in folk arts and designs. Let's go! Today, we have Ma'am Cherry Ruth to share with us the arts and crafts of Mindoro and Marinduque.
Hello, lovely grade 7 students! I am Ma'am Cherry. Come with me as we discover the majestic province of Mindoro and Marinduque. To start, did you know that Mindoro is the 7th largest island in the Philippines? And it is politically subdivided into 2 provinces, namely the Oriental Mindoro and the Occidental Mindoro. And you know it, there are 8 ethno-linguistic groups of Mangyan. These are, but we're going to talk about 2 of the main groups of Mangyans living in Mindoro. First one, Harinoo Mangyan, one of the groups living in the southern part of Mindoro, which means true, real, and genuine Mangyan. And the other group is the Iraya Mangyan. These groups are distinguished based on their language, custom, and their way of living. The arts and crafts of the Mangyan display the very rich artistic heritage. And let us identify their arts and crafts. First one, Ambahan, the art of Harinoo Mangyan. One of the art forms, a rhythmic poetic expression with a meter of 7 syllables, presented through recitation and chanting, without a determined musical pitch or accompaniment. Performed to express symbolically. One of the variations of this is the Urukan, which uses 8 syllables instead of 7, frequently etched on bamboo tubes or slats. And the second one is the basket of Iraya. It has intricate patterns and designs of humans, animals, and other objects. It is made of dried native grass and forest vines, which are meticulously and patiently woven to create these unique baskets. Fantastic, isn't it? After learning the arts and crafts of Mindoro, let's now explore the province of Marinduque. Marinduque is a heart-shaped island province in the Mimaropa region that nestles between Tayabas Bay and the Sibuyan Sea. It is situated at the heart of the Philippines and is considered as the archipelago's geographic center. It is also the home of the Moriones Festival, a much-awaited Lenten tradition celebrated every Holy Week. The morion refers to the mask made of wood paper mache with colorful shells, animal hairs, tassels, and crepe papers. The Roman soldier during the festival wear this mask together with the vests, capes, and wooden shawl. Moreover, the people of Marinduque are experts in weaving, which has been passed on through the years. The buri or buri palm and raffia leaves became staple materials in Marinduque crafts because of their abundance. Are these materials also available in your area? You might consider creating your own crafts in the future. At this juncture, please welcome Ma'am Mitch to give us a glimpse of the arts and crafts of Romblon and Palawan.
Maadong adlaw palangga namong mga estudyante. Anasi dialect from Romblon, which means good day, our dear grade 7 students. Welcome to the province of Romblon and Palawan. We're going to learn the different arts and crafts of these provinces. Let's start with Romblon. Romblon is known as the marble capital of the Philippines and is the second biggest producer of the mineral in our country. Example of marble products are jars, vases, cups, tables, and many more. They also produce beautifully woven mats and bags made from Romblon plants. Now, let's go to the province of Palawan. Palawan is known as the country's last frontier because of its rich cultural and natural diversity. It is said that the Tagbanwas are the first inhabitants of Palawan. The men of Palawan are skillful wood carvers, while children and women are proficient weavers. And here are the great examples of arts and crafts of Palawan. The first one is the tingko. It is known as the cone-shaped colander harvest basket made of blackened and natural bamboo. It displays their craftsmanship in weaving. Tagbanwa carvers are well known for different animal forms from soft wood. The carving is blacked with soot and then edged with simple patterns or concise features exposing the original white grain of the wood. These are used in rituals or as toys for children. Another well-known arts and crafts of Palawan is the manunggul jar. It is considered one of the most important artifacts in the Philippines. This vessel is secondary burial jar that serves as container for the remains of the deceased. On the top of the jar cover is a boat with two human figures representing two souls on a voyage to the afterlife. And those are the wonders of Mimaropa. Which one of these provinces do you want to visit? Let us know your answers in the comment box below and list the arts and crafts found in their area. Want to know more? Here is Ma'am Says to discuss the arts and crafts of Visayas.
From Luzon, let's conquer Visayas. First up, we have Panay Island. One of the largest islands of the archipelago is composed of the provinces of Iloilo, Antique, Aklan, Capiz, and island of Guimaras. Weaving is the primary form of arts and craft in Panay Island. It was once tagged as the textile capital of the Philippines. Talking about weaving, Patajong is first on the line. It is a wrapped around piece of cloth worn by women, a skirt worn with a mono. It can be used as a shade for the sun and rain. Used as tapis when buffing outdoors and washing clothes. It has a linear and geometric designs. The material used for patadyong weaving are cotton and abaca. They also have pinya weaving. It is an age-old tradition in Aklan, the leading manufacturer of pinya cloth. It requires long hours of labor's extraction of fibers from pineapple leaves. It uses different methods and techniques before getting the fine fibers to be woven. If you are looking for baskets, trays, and mats, Aklan is the best place for you. Pandan and Baguio plants are used in Aklan weaving or pagrara. They weave baskets, trays, and mats. The process of pagrara weaving is often a form of social interaction. Have you ever seen a crystal plates and chandeliers made of shell? That product could come from copies. Copy shell is an important material in the craft of Panay Island, particularly in Aklan and Iloilo. The copy shells are bleached and dried before they are pressed or cut into a different paste or glue. A form of various products like plates, chandeliers, windows, and utility boxes. And we have reached our second destination. Please help me welcome Ma'am Azotes to share with us the arts and crafts of Negros Island, Bohol, and Samar.
Maayong adlaw, students! Did you know that Negros Island was first called Buglax, named after the type of grass like the sugar cane that grows abundantly on the island? Yes, you heard it right. And because of that, weaving is a part of the lives of the Negrenses. The materials they commonly use are pandan and buri leaves. They are known for sinamay, a world-class industry made from abacat wine and indigenous plants like bananas. Let us now proceed to the amazing province of Bohol. Bohol is not only known for its chocolate hills. They are also well known for basket weaving in Antequera. Antequera is known as the basket capital of Bohol. The products are made from whatever native products is on hand. Bamboo, rattan, wicker, nito, buri, sikid, and other vines. The municipality of Tubigon is known as the Lumu Weaving Center of the province. They make use of the raffia or buri leaves as materials for their products. You still got the energy for another trip? Hang on, as we have reached Visayas, Samar. Visayas, Samar is known for its woven products such as mats, wall decorations, and the famous colorful sleeping mat called banig. In mat weaving, a typical banig usually measures 2 by 3 meters and is as thin as a sheet of the clipboard. It is made from tico, a reed grass that grows in swampy areas along rice fields and has solid, jointless, and usually triangular stems. Colorful banigs are more expensive than the simple ones. Innovation have been made from the known sleeping mat into bats, decors, placemats, furniture matting, and other adornments. Heard enough? That's all I can share for now. Thank you for listening. Back to you, Ma'am Jay.
And that's all for today's episode. Have you learned something today? Let us check your understanding. Can you name some arts and crafts found in Mimaropa? How do arts and crafts of Visayas affect their daily lives? Please write your answer in your notebook and and submit it to your MAPE teacher. Again, this is Ma'am J. As the saying goes, learning art is hearing your heart, history, and culture. So, let us embrace the art in our hearts.